Welcome to the channel Hoodstig. Today I'm driving a Honda Civic Type R and the problem is my indicators, as you can see, is not working. Hazards, no lights. So I've been searching on YouTube, I've been looking at people's scenarios, I've been asking mechanics, I've been asking loads of people, I've done the fuse testings, every fuse worked. What could possibly be the problem to why my indicators and hazards indicators are not working? So I have got the solution of this, and I have found out that it's a relay problem, a relay fuse problem. I've actually got it right now, right here. As you can see, it is the 38300, and this is the relay fuse, Honda 38300, as you can see. And it has 3 spokes. So basically I went under the car, under the dashboard, and there's lots of fuses and there's one black box, and that could possibly be the reason to why the indicators are not working. So if you ever have a problem with these, get this. So right now I'm just going to do a quick video of me finding where it is, and I'm going to apply this to where it used to be, because I've taken the old one out. So when I put this in, the old one in, it should go in. Just a piece of advice, to take it out you need a flat screwdriver, and you see these are hooked onto one plastic bit and one below it, so you need to get a screwdriver and lift it down and lift this one up and then wedge this one out. So that's how you do it. So now I'm just going to do a quick video below it to show you where it's actually supposed to be, and whilst I'm putting it in, and then to show you the indicators are working. So let's do this. So the best recommendation is that when you're doing it, you have to get underneath the car. So I'd lie backwards like this. Yeah. Alright. So now that I'm under the car right now, I'm just going to do a quick show you where it's supposed to be. So this is where it's supposed to be. That is the relay fuse. Do you see the 3 pins? That's where it's supposed to go. I've already tested all these fuses, as I said before, and each one works, and they are not the problem. You might think that it is the 15s that need changing, but that is not the problem. The problem is the relay fuse. The relay fuse that controls the indicators. So here is the part. Okay, it's good, we got it. So there's the clips, one clip there and there's one clip there. Okay, so now we are going to apply the fuse. Oh, okay, now you can see that it's in slightly. Now we're going to push it in, lifting the 2 clips down and the one at the top. Oh my god. Okay, it can get a bit tough. It is a challenge, but again, you could do it yourself. If you went to somebody else, they'd probably charge a bit of money, probably about 30, 40, 50 quid, but you can do this yourself. Okay, alright. Okay, let's have a look one last time inside. There it is. It sits right in place. So now you can see it. I put the pins in. There it is. It's right there. It sits right there. Don't get confused with this one or this one. It is the biggest square block, and there's the pins for it. So it's inside the pins, as you can see. If I wanted to take it out again, as I said, you have to release the pins right here. Wait 1 second. Right there, that's one pin and the one above it. So now I've closed the pins. You can't take that out now, it's stuck on. So now let's start the car. Let me get out the car. Sorry about that. Okay, the moment of truth. Okay, let's see. And voila, you've seen it now. Left and final, the hazards. and the job is completed. So there you go, guys. I hope this video has been very beneficial, and for the people out there that have the same problem with the Honda Civic 2001 to 2005, any model, the Type R, the Type S, the 1.6, the 1.4 Inspire, it doesn't matter which litre it is, even the diesel, as long as it's 2001 to 2005, that is the issue with indicators. It's the relay fuse, and you can find it on eBay. You'll see that they go for £20, £30, and my best advice, just go to your local scrapyard. If they've got a broken Honda Civic, you can pick up the fuse for £5, £10, and it will work. So I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up, give it a comment if you have any more questions, and subscribe to see any more problems with cars that I'm more than happy to share my experience with. Take care. Hoodstig.